I don't agree with the motion that this House will sell parts of their land to other countries for waste dumping. The Environmental Protection Agency says that the increase in waste generation can be attributed to two issues: industrialization and population expansion. And so the countries that will have problems on the increase in waste generation are the countries that are highly industrialized and the countries that are overpopulated. And basically, these are the economic and political giants, namely the United States of America, China, India, Japan. And I don't think that the United States of America would allow, say, Texas to be a waste dumping site of another country, because that would mean another thing. And so it only boils down to the issue that this creates the correlation between a strong state and a weak state. And so this gives us two backlashes. Number one threat is economic in nature. Tourists won't be attracted to go into these countries anymore, not because there are no national attractions or tourist spots here, but because they might think that this might pose health risks on them because of airborne diseases, waterborne, or waste-borne diseases brought about by the transfer of waste from one country into this country. And next is that business corporations won't be enticed to actually open investments or business in these countries, because these countries already created a social identity that they are waste disposal sites, they are dumping sites of other countries. Second is political in nature. This issue only marginalizes the weak states. This augments the disparity of the strong states and the weak states, because it actually gives this actually gives the weak states the identity that they are inferior in nature, that they're just waste dumping sites of these hegemons of these strong states. And so it boils down that this strong states actually impliedly are given consent on their brute capabilities against these weak states. And then if we are to look to local practices, in our barangays, it says that tapat ko, linis ko, pananagutan ko. It obviously and rationally means that your own wastes are basically your own responsibility. That it's not your neighbor's responsibility to clean your own waste because you have produced such. And so it's just the same for in the international arena or in national arena, in the national field, that our own waste are our own responsibility, and no other person or no other entity institution is responsible for such waste.